in neutral. I'd say it's most noticeable around 3,000 RPM. I think above that, the engine and exhaust noise are so much louder, it's harder to hear. But let's give it a good stomping here and see what happens when we go over 4,000. Around 5,000 RPM, it sounds great. All I hear is the exhaust note. There is a high-pitched noise around 5,000 RPM, but it's not as annoying as the whistling at 3,000. Here's the 3,000 RPM noise. Crazy? Am I just getting really critical because the engine's right behind my head? As I decelerated in third gear right there, you could hear the whistling noise the entire time. You can hear it accelerating up in RPM as well. So I'm not really sure what the source of the noise could be, but would really appreciate your comments, your thoughts. If you have any experience debugging this kind of noise, I will probably wait a few days to get some comments and discussion from the community, and then if I can't figure it out, I will take it to a Porsche mechanic to see if they can help out.